What's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Recently, one of our best-selling options have been stainless steel. We decided to expand our stainless steel collection by bringing it in a bright silver stainless steel plated collection. Here's an example of the bright silver stainless steel that we have in stock. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create these pieces as an anklet. Let's get right into it. First, begin by cutting your chain. Next, find the exact middle section of that one length that you cut that chain as well. Using your set of pliers, open up the jump ring. Attach one side of the pearl connector to the chain. Close up the jump ring. Hear that click while you pass the ring. Come back to where they meet. Utilizing your set of pliers, grab another jump ring, open it up with your set of pliers, attach the other side of the connector to your chain, and use your set of pliers to close up the jump ring. Repeat the same thing by adding another jump ring to the other side of the connector and then attach it to the chain. And then use your set of pliers to close up the jump ring. Open up the jump ring and attach your clasp to the pearl connector and close it up. And lastly, open up one more jump ring and attach it to the chain where the clasp will hook onto, and use your set of pliers to close up the jump ring. And just like that, you'll have your first layer of your anklet. This is what the first layer looks like. For the second layer, begin by cutting your chain. And you can go ahead by evenly distributing the heart charms in how you would like them to sit on the chain. Using your set of pliers, open up the jump ring and attach each heart to the link of the chain. Once the heart is attached, use your set of pliers to close up the jump ring. Repeat that to all hearts to get them onto the chain. Once you've attached all the hearts to your chain, utilize your set of pliers to open up the jump ring, attach the clasp to the end of the jump ring, and then onto the chain. And use your set of pliers to close up the ring. And always make sure to hear that click. On the opposite side, go ahead and just attach your last jump ring to where the clasp will hook onto it. That's all you need to do in order to create the second layer of your anklet. And this is what it looked like when they are stacked together. I also brought one of our stainless steel base metal itself with no plating on top, so I can show you side by side as a comparison of what they look like. The stainless steel without the bright silver is darker in shade versus this one, which is the bright silver. So these are the two options that we have now. Most of the items that I use to create these pieces are also available in this color option as well with the same item numbers. So I'll be sure to link all the products that I used in this video down below in the description, so you can just click the link and it will redirect you to our shop. You can just use the techniques that I use to create these pieces and create any jewelry piece of your choice, including bracelets, belly chains, necklaces, earrings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.